Hello, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 3 is equal to 0. To find the values of x from this equation. Now, from these denominators, the LCM will be over this times this times this times this. So it will be x bracket times x minus 1 bracket times bracket x minus 2 bracket times x minus 3 bracket. Then we'll take this, divide by x, it will be x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3. So it will be x minus 1 bracket bracket x minus 2 bracket bracket x minus 3 bracket, then plus this, divide by x minus 1, it will be x times x minus 2 times x minus 3. So it's x bracket x minus 2 bracket bracket x minus 3 bracket, then plus this, divided by x minus 2, it is x times x minus 1 times x minus 3. So here it will be x bracket x minus 1 bracket bracket x minus 3 bracket, then plus this, divided by x minus 3, it is x times x minus 1 times x minus 2. So in here it will be x bracket x minus 1 bracket bracket x minus 2 bracket, then is equal to 0, whereas 0 is same as 0 over 1, because 0 divided by 1 it is 0. 0 divided by 0 it is undefined. Then in the next step we'll cross multiply. So this denominator times 0, it is 0, and this one times this, it is this. Then in the next step we find the one with the like terms. Now from here, x minus 1 x minus 2, we find another one, x minus 1 x minus 2. So we'll take x minus 1 bracket bracket x minus 2 bracket out of bracket, then this, divided by this, it will be this x minus 3, then plus this, divided by this, it will be left with this x, so it will be plus x bracket, then plus, we already take this and this, so we are left with this and this, whereas in here x times x minus 3, x times x minus 3 is common, so we take x bracket x minus 3 bracket out of bracket, then this, divided by this, is this x minus 2, then plus this, divided by this, is this x minus 1 bracket, then because it was this, all this times 1, so it will be this, then is equal to this denominator times 0, it is 0, so here it will be equal to 0. Then in the next step, from it will be this, which is x minus 1 bracket bracket x minus 2 bracket, then bracket x plus x is 2x, then minus 3 bracket plus this x bracket x minus 3 bracket bracket x plus x is 2x, this minus this is minus 3 bracket is equal to 0. Then from here 2x minus 3 is common, so we take 2x minus 3 bracket out of bracket, then this, divided by this, it is this times this, so it will be x minus 1 bracket times x minus 2 bracket, then plus this, divided by this, we are left with this, which is x bracket x minus 3 bracket is equal to 0. Then in the next step, it will be this 2x minus 3 bracket. We take this times this. X times x is x square. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. Then plus x times x is x square. X times negative 3 is negative 3. X bracket is equal to 0. Then it will be this, which is 2x minus 3 bracket x times x is 2x square. I mean x square times x square plus x square is 2x square. Then negative 2x, negative x is negative 3x. With this negative 3x, it will be negative 6x. Then plus this 2 bracket is equal to 0. Then in the next step, from this quadratic equation, it is divisible by 2. So we'll divide this by 2 in both sides. So it will be this, which is 2x minus 3 bracket 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared. Negative 6x divided by 2 is negative 3x. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so it will be plus 1 bracket is equal to 0 divided by 2, it is 0. Then from here we have two solutions, whereas this is the first solution, which is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, and the second solution is this quadratic equation, x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then to solve from here, we take negative 3 to the right side, it will be 2x is equal to 3. Then we divide by 2 in both sides. So this and this will cancel. Then it will be x is equal to 3 over 2. So this is the first value of x in this our problem. And to solve from this quadratic equation, we'll use quadratic formula. Whereas from the quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Whereas a is equal to coefficient of x square is 1, and b is equal to coefficient of x is negative 3, and c is equal to constant, which is 1. Then it will be x is equal to negative b, it is this negative 3, so it will be negative 3 bracket plus or minus square root of b square, it will be negative 3 square, which is 9, then minus 4 times a, it is 1, times c is 1, then over 2 times a is 1. Then it will be x is equal to negative and negative 3, it will be positive 3 plus or minus square root of 9. Then negative 4 times 1 times 1, it is negative 4 over 2. Then it will be x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 4 is 5, then over this 2. Therefore, this is the final answer for the value of x in this our problem. Whereas in here we have two solutions because of plus or minus. Therefore, the values of x, there are 3. Whereas the first value of x is equal to this 3 over 2. And the second value of x is equal to, when it is positive, it will be 3 plus square root of 5 over 2. And the third value of x is equal to, when it is negative, it will be 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. So these are all the values of x in this our problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.